mashallah, ang aming nanganak kaninang umaga around 6 a.m. Pakistan time. Ayan, kumakain na siya. So time check now is 9:30 a.m. Tama-tama, bumaba sila kay dito. Hinintay talaga si Lakay na bumaba. Dito kasi siya, dito kasi sila dito sa loob. Tapos nung binuksan ni Lakay, after 5 minutes na nilabas dito ay nanganak na. Kaya alhamdulillah. Oh. Mashallah, mashallah. Yung isa ang tawag diyan, nag-iingay. Ayan, mashallah. They are like their mother. Ayan, oh. Mashallah, mashallah. Ayan, lola na ako. Kahapon, nung pumunta ako, nag-video ako dito sa field ng nagtatanim sila kay. Ayun, doon sa banda sa may mga bawang. May video ako. May video ako na mga anak. Ang namin expected na date is 9 or 10. So nanganak ngayon, alhamdulillah. Pero normal itong mga anak niya. Ayan, may dugo-dugo. Mashallah, mashallah. Oh. Ayan, kumakain yung ina. Ayan, mashallah, they are 3. I don't know this girl or boy. Mashallah. Just now, she delivered today morning around 6 a.m. Pakistan time, and today is ngayon? May 8 ba ngayon? Ayan, alhamdulillah, nanganak na yung kambing namin today morning around 6 a.m. Pakistan time, and today is May 8, and today is Wednesday. And time check when she delivered around 6 a.m. Ayan, mashallah. But I don't know they are boy or girls. Ayan, oh. Hello! 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. 15 days now. They are 15 days today. Ayan, 3 sila, kaya lang namatay yung isa. After 1 day, namatay na yung isa, yung pinakamaliit. Ayan, oh, alhamdulillah. Ang cute nila. Ayan. Come here! They're like their mother. Iba yung kulay nung isa, medyo brown. At saka ito naman ay black and white. Ay, yung ganda ng kulay ng isa. You're hungry. Your mother is there. Sana ba yung mother? Doon sa baba. Ayun. Ay, hindi. Sana ba? Yun yung na yan. 5 months yata. More than 5 months na ito. Sana ba yung mother? It's mother ng mga kambing. Saan tinali nila kay? Ayun yung isa. Ito yung brown. Yun yung anak niya. Yan, babae. Sana ba yung black? Saan ba tinali nila kay? Ayun. Ayun, oh. Para maraming damo doon. Ayan. Come. Oh. Come. Halasat ke. How she? Padi, what is this? Bakra. Na. Not come up. Ayan, umakyat na. Ayan, dumidede sila sa battle. Pinapadede. Kasi hindi pa sila makadede sa sa ina nila. So, tinatanggal yung yung gatas. Tapos nilalagay sa battle. Yan. Kam. Alasat ke. 15 days yung alian. 15 days sila ngayon. Cute, 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 cute. Come here. Ah. Ah. Oh. Come. Come. You're hungry. Eh? Hungry. Cute ng tayo nga. Oh. Yan. Oh. Dudu pini. Dudu. Alasat ke. Other one also. Come by Sardari. Try this one. Malasat ke. You drink already milk? Come outside, malasat ke. Come. Now they're walking now. Come.
This one is when he's drinking Masjid, he's enjoying.
Who? Ansa. Ito yung black. Ito yung brown mother. At saka ito naman yung nanganak noong May 8. So, 16 days, 15 days. Itong dalawang baby. Where are they now? Why they go inside again? Why they go inside again? They will drink more milk. They will drink more milk. Come outside. Usuni. Sardari and Nawas. Come. Come outside. Come. Sardari, come outside. He's waiting for milk. They cannot drink until now here. This in their mother. But you're removing her na? Wait for your milk. This one? So other one? Now he's drinking. Okay, other one is drinking now. No, I will not.
You make problems for you now.
Yan, Other one also drinking.
You want to put light now.
This is what? Nawas,
Masjid.
Nawas Sharif.
Mary.
Ansa. So this one, Sardari, finished already drink milk. Bas? I'm fine. Safe.